Hi guys, welcome back in this new video. This is Soheb and you are watching Digital Soheb. So, if you are a writer and publisher and you have an awesome content and you want to publish your content on publishing platform, but you are confusing to take your content, where to publish your content, where to write your thoughts. So, I have an amazing publishing platform for you which I will reveal in this video, where you can publish your content, where you can distribute your content, and as well as you can market your content. So many more things you can do on that platforms. So today we will check out one of the newest entrants into the battle of self-publishing distribution companies, Publish Drive. So watch this video till the end so that you can get clear idea about this tool. In order to do that, I have signed up, set up some books and played around with their system and offerings. So with that, let's check out the full Publish Drive review and see whether or not it makes cut as a great book distribution service. Also whether or not I'll be changing from the service I'm currently using. By the way, if you are not familiar with book distribution service and how the different ones compare, be sure to check out my comparison of the top distribution service side by side YouTube video to include some words Digital Soheb and the newest Publish Drive. So with that, let's take a look at Publish Drive. So in this Publish Drive review, you will learn the services offered by Publish Drive, how Publish Drive pricing impact your author earnings, the distribution option provided by Publish Drive, what Publish Drive Abacus can do for co-authors. And before I start this, time for a quick disclaimer. I am using affiliate links in this video, but that in no way affect my opinion on Publish Drive. These links cost you nothing to click. They just help keep my coffee cup full in order for me to continue giving your quality content. Now with that out of the way, let's get started. First things first is Publish Drive trustworthy. Unfortunately, there are a lot of scammers out there looking to take your money without providing any value in return. Thankfully, non-profits such as the Alliance of Independent Authors have your back and they rank Publish Drive as excellent. Now that you know you can trust Publish Drive, what's their origin story? In a nutshell, co-founded in 2015 by Forbes rated entrepreneur Kinga Jantasis in response to her struggle in publishing her master's thesis. The company was assisted by Google LaunchUp, an incubator service providing 6 months of mentoring and funding directly by Google. And personally knowing Kinga, she's fantastic person who is dedicated to the company and improving it. Therefore, I can safely say that they are very trustworthy as a company. And now we will talk about what service does Publish Drive provide. I took the time sign up to Publish Drive and check out it inner workings. This saves you the time and effort of having to sign up yourself without knowing if Publish Drive is good fit for you. I have broken their service down into 4 key aspects: book formatting and uploading, marketing services, distribution, and payment and sales report. So now we will talk about quick service concept. If we talk about upfront cost, so just you have to pay $9.99 per month for basic plan. And if we talk about expected format, so docs and EPUB, and their commission will be 10%. And who does the formatting you can do, and they will not give you ISBN. And if we talk about distribution network, so you can distribute your book on Amazon, Apple Book, Google Play Book, Kobo, Burner and Noble, Skib, Overdrive.com, Dang Dang, CNP Reading, Playstar and many more. And if we talk about some extra key feature, advanced marketing feature and Amazon advertising credit. And if you want to visit their website, so you can visit their website publishdrive.com. So let's talk about the first point, book formatting and uploading. Unsurprisingly, for a distribution company, Publish Drive offers the ability to upload your book. Important to note, Publish Drive not allows you to distribute paperback and audiobooks as well. However, uploading a paperback will cost you extra. So what are the key things you need to know about Publish Drive offering in this area? You can upload either docs or EPUB formats. Publish Drive does not suggest using a PDF manuscript as it often converts badly. A paid conversion service is available if you need it, or you can check out my free article. Your ebook must pass the validation process as started by the International Digital Book Forum. You can see the process in action later in the video. Okay, let's come into the second point, which is marketing service. As you probably know, I'm all about book marketing. As a result, it was nice to see Public Drive emphasizing the importance of marketing of authors. But what do they actually enable you do when it comes to marketing your ebook? So Amazon advertising, if you are seen my free digital marketing course on Amazon advertising, you will know I'm a strong advocate of using it the right way. If you go with Publish Drive subscription model, you given get some Amazon advertising credit to experiment with. This is key because of you publish using a different distribution system on Amazon, those others will not allow you to do Amazon ads. And if you talk about price promotions, you can set price promotion for the stores which allow this return the Publish Drive your environment. And review copies, you can quickly and easily generate review copies to helpfully bring some positive professional attention to your next book. Publish Drive states they are looking to expand on their service marketing capabilities in the future, so keep an eye out for further info. Okay, so let's come onto the distribution. One of the primary reasons to use a self-publishing distribution company such as Publish Drive is the ease of having your distributed on different bookstores and having your sales data from each events collected conveniently. So what does Publish Drive bring to the table when it comes to distributing your book? So if you talk about international distribution, if you are an international book publisher, Publish Drive has a lot to offer. You can distribute in different territories and even adjust your pricing and write for a specific reason. And if you talk about wide, so Publish Drive distribute a wide range of bookstores. You can check out the full list along with royalty rates and other info here. Let's check out the final piece of the Publish Drive puzzle, getting paid, which is okay. So now we will talk about payment and sales report. For many authors, it can be tiresome and stressful to keep accurate and meaningful record of their sales information. Thankfully, this is one area where Publish Drive really shines. The reporting is great and the user interface is clear and intuitive, as you will see a little later. So what are the key facts about getting paid with Publish Drive? Payment method: Publish Drive can pay you out via wire transfer, bank transfer, check, PayPal, Intercash or Payoneer. There is a $5 minimum threshold for payouts. You can set your own payment threshold. The process of getting paid via Publish Drive, I'll show you later. Now that you have an overview of what Publish Drive can do for you, let's check out what you will give in them in return. So first of all, we will talk about how much does it cost to use Publish Drive. Publish Drive now offers a subscription based service. You will see the pricing. As you are seeing the price, author about their publisher tab to with more options. So you have 4 pricing plans: a starter, standard, plus and pro. You can go with basic, which is starter plan, $9.99 per month. You can publish 2 books in this plan. And if you will go with the standard plan, so you have to pay $19.99 per month, so you can publish 6 books. And if you will go with plus plan, so you have to pay $50 almost, and you can publish 24 books. And if you will go with pro plan, so you have to pay almost $100 and you can publish your 48 books. These all are monthly plans. And if you will go with yearly plan, so for a starter you have to pay $100, for standard you have to pay $200, for plus you have to pay $500, and for pro you have to pay $1000 annually. And they don't have any free plan, but they also offering you a 14 days free trial, so you can get comfortable with their plans. Okay, these all the details are completed. So now we will review this tool practically in this video. So let's look inside the service. So when you will create your account, so you will get this like dashboard in your Publish Drive account. if you want to publish your first ebook, so just you have to go with step 1. First of all, you have to upload your file, then you have to upload your cover image. After that, you have to mention a creator name and all the required detail you have to done. Does your manuscript contain a table of content? Yes, no, you can give answer, and you can give a creator name, book creator name you have to give here. And after that, you have to fill your metadata, categories. Now you have to publish your price, also you have to done your rights and your distribution, where you want to distribute your book on Google Play, Ranktune Kobo, Kobo Plus, Scribo, Storytel, and on these platforms you can upload your book. And when you will complete your all the details, just you have to click on publish. Now your book is ready for distribution on all the distribution networks, and after that you can check your promotions. So you can promote your book as well on Amazon ad, drive book sales, price promotion, review copy, featuring, social media. Okay, and if you want to see your sales report, so you can check your sales analytics, royalty payments, and special services if you want to see, so print cost, royalty splitting, all the details you can check. And if you want to set up, so Google Play stores, my account, so you can set up your ebook. Okay, so in the last, I just want to say you, the tool is amazing. Trust me, the tool is amazing. If once you will use this tool, so you will get comfortable with this tool, and this tool is user friendly. Okay, so these all are the plans about this tool. So but I have an amazing surprise for you if you want to know. So the surprise is you can get this tool with a lifetime access also. Okay, so I have an lifetime deal for you also. If you want to buy this tool for a lifetime, so you can buy this tool from AppSumo Digital Marketplace. Okay, where you will buy this tool at a starting price $69. Okay, so all the reviews, all the details are have mentioned there. So they have two license tier, license tier 1, license tier 2. If you want to go with license tier 1, so you have to pay $69 one time, and you will get lifetime access, and you can publish your 24 books. And if you will go with license tier 2, so you can publish 96 total books. One more amazing thing, with this tool you will get a 60 days money back guarantee. No matter the reason, if you are not satisfied with this tool, so you can get back your refund as well. Okay, so I hope all the details I have completed in this video, all the points I have given you in this video. And now if you want to know about some pros and cons, I'll explain them also. So few pros and cons are also in this tool. So first of all, we will talk about pros. So no upfront cost. Okay, commission can be paid via royalties or subscription, premium strategy, cancellation available, publish drive AppKeys for co-authors, large distribution networks, and simple to use. And few cons also, ebook only. You can publish your ebooks, paper or hardcover writers are not available, and ISBN also not given, and you must provide your own formatting. Okay, which few cons are not matters to you. In the last, if you want to buy this tool, so I have mentioned my affiliate link in my video description, so you can check that link. So when you will click on that link, so you will be redirected on this landing page from where you can buy this tool, and you can use it for a lifetime. Okay, and if you want to say something to me for this video, any of your valuable comment, if you want to give me your feedback, so just write in the comment box, because your comment will help me to improve my content quality. And subscribe to my channel for more contents. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you soon in another one. For till now, bye bye, and take care of yourself.